Look kids, this is lipstick. Lipstick is used to color the lips, make them shiny, and give them a beautiful look.
Wow, kids, this is lipstick. Lipstick makes lips look colorful and pretty.
Look kids, this is nail polish. Nail polish is used to color the nails and make them look pretty and shiny.
This is nail polish. It makes nails shiny and colorful.
Look kids, this is face powder. Face powder helps the face look fresh, soft, and smooth.
This is feet powder. It helps the face look fresh and soft.
Look kids, this is foundation. Foundation is used to make the skin look smooth and even.
This is foundation. It helps make look smooth.
Look kids, this is mascara. Mascara makes the eyelashes look longer, darker, and beautiful.
This is mascara. Mascara makes eyelashes look long and beautiful.
Look kids, this is eyeliner. Eyeliner is used around the eyes to make them look bigger and prettier.
This is eyeliner. It is used around the eyes for makeup.
Look kids, this is blush. Blush gives the cheeks a cute pink and rosy color.
This is blush. It makes cheeks look rosy and cute.
Look kids, this is compact powder. Compact powder keeps the face neat, fresh, and bright.
This is calm powder. Keeps the face neat and fresh.
Look kids, this is lip balm. Lip balm keeps the lips soft, smooth, and healthy.
This is lip balm. It keeps lips soft and smooth.
Look kids, this is perfume. Perfume gives a sweet and fresh smell to the body.
This is perfume. Perfume smells very nice.
Look kids, this is face cream. Face cream keeps the skin soft, smooth, and moisturized.
This is face cream. It keeps skin soft and healthy.
Look kids, this is shampoo. Shampoo cleans the hair and keeps it fresh and shiny.
This is shampoo. Shampoo cleans our hair.
Look kids, this is conditioner. Conditioner makes the hair soft, silky, and easy to comb.
This is conditioner. It makes hair soft and smooth.
Look kids, this is soap. Soap cleans our hands and body and removes dirt and germs.
This is soap. Soap keeps us clean.
Look kids, this is body lotion. Body lotion keeps the skin soft, smooth, and healthy.
This is body lotion. It keeps skin soft.
Look kids, this is hair oil. Hair oil helps the hair stay shiny, soft, and healthy.
This is hair oil. Hair oil makes hair shiny and healthy.
Look kids, this is sunscreen. Sunscreen protects the skin from strong sunlight.
This is sunscreen. Sunscreen protects skin from the hot sun.
Look kids, this is a makeup brush. A makeup brush is used to apply makeup neatly on the face.
This is a makeup brush. We use it for makeup.
Look kids, this is a comb. A comb helps keep the hair clean, neat, and tidy.
This is a comb. A comb keeps hair neat and tidy.
Look kids, this is a mirror. A mirror helps us see our face and get ready nicely.
This is a mirror. We use it to see ourselves.